Hello everyone, this is Nitish and this is the video number 88 and I'm very excited today because in this video I want to share with you four amazing books which changed your life if you read all this book. So the first book you have to read in once in your life is that Think and Grow Rich. If you want to become successful and if you have dream or goal to achieve success in your life, you have to read this book because in this book you get the information how the successful people become successful. What is the secret of the the people successful becoming successful? So this is very important. When I read that book, that was completely changed my life. Because the way of thinking after the reading books is completely different. My mindset is totally changed after reading this book. So this is very important because the writer of this book, Napoleon Hill, he have interview 500 successful people that time, and after that what he the got the in six what he got in the recipe of success. He will share all the success recipe in that book, so it is very important. So next second is that Rich Dad Poor Dad. This is a very important book also because if you want to know about the finance, if you want to know that how successful people are successful and what they are doing to become successful. So if you want to know all these things, you have to read that and Poor Dad. And in this book you also know about that the quadrants. So there are four type of quadrant, like the job, employment, self-employed, the investor and businessman. So if you want to become rich, in which quadrant you have to. So all this knowledge you will get in that book, so it is also very important. And the third book is that Richest Man on the Babylon. This is type of fiction books, and in these books you will get the idea how to become successful, right? In this book they have shared about that one story that how one man, he was very poor in starting, but after that he become the richest man on the Babel. So you will get idea about that how to manage your money, where to invest all this money, right? So it is very important for you if you want to become successful in your life. And the fourth and last book is that how to win friends and influence people. This is very important also because if you want to improve your communication skill, if you want to become excellent communicator, you have to read this book because in this book you will get the ideas and the tips and trick how to become how to become the good speaker, how to speak how to speak effectively with the people. Because because the communication skill is very important part of your life if you want to achieve something, right? Because if you have big dreams, so you have to talk with the people. So if you not talk effectively with the people, you never get result what you want from the people, right? So talking with the people in good way is very important. So this book is very helpful for you if you read that book. So I have shared with you the four books. I will again summarize all the four books. The first book I have shared with you, the Think and Grow Rich. Second book is that is Rich Dad Poor Dad. Third book is that Richest Man on the Babylon on, and the fourth book is How to Win Friends and Influence People. All these four books are very important if you want to improve yourself, if you want to become successful in your life. This is very important part of your life because I have read all these books, and that was completely changed my life. And I know that if you read all this book, you will never will lose anything. You will get you will be benefited after reading this book. So I hope this video is very helpful for you. So if you get any valuable from this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe this YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in another video.